Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how I'm going to make a bubblegum machine using just these three items from Walmart. We have a fish bowl as well as a small little planter and the little plate that usually comes under it. These items were sold separately. Also going to include some items that I got from Dollar Tree to customize it. I'm going to use one of these glass little containers as the handle or the knob, and I got some letters that I'm going to put on it. I'm going to design this to fit my little boy's nursery. So I'm also going to add a Tennessee Titans sticker to it, and I got the gumballs from Dollar Tree as well. So first what I'm going to do is spray paint these two pieces, and this will be turned upside down where we'll put that, and then we're going to put that top part on there as well. So give me just a moment. I'm going to spray paint this and show you what spray paint I'll be using. Okay, so I'm going to spray paint it blue and red. This is what I'm using from Hobby Lobby, the Krylon small spray cans. I'm using blue and red. So start off by spray painting, and I will have to do another layer once I finish this when it dries. So I'm just going to spray the blue on there first, and then when it dries I'm going to do another layer of blue, and then add some red. Because the type of material it's made out of, it's going to require another coat. Okay, so once it's dry, I'm going to add some more blue and then let that dry and add a little red to it. This is how it looks once I applied the spray paint. I actually had to put about 3 coats of the blue spray paint for the color to be even. And then once the blue was dry, I splattered a little red spray paint on it. So I'm going to let that red dry once again. Once it's dry, I'm going to spray an acrylic coating over it to seal the paint. I'm so excited about the almost finished product. This is what I used to seal the spray paint, and I also got this from Hobby Lobby. I'll be sure to leave the link below in the description box of where I purchased everything. So this is how the bottom part looks so far, and this is the top. So the next step, we're going to put hot glue around this end. That way we can just have our bowl here. If you have E6000, you can use that as well. So I'm going to let my heat gun warm up for a second, then we're going to come back and apply that. I'm going to take my hot glue and I'm going to put it around this outer edge here, like so. And again, if you have E6000, you can do that as well. It's just going to take a little bit longer to dry. Okay, so you want to make sure the open part is up, and place it in the center and press down and give the glue a little time to dry. So once we do that, and I'm going to take this that I got from Dollar Tree out of the little package like this. I'm going to take the cap off of it, and I'm just going to use this part as a handle. So it'll be like this. So I'm going to do that the same way, and I'm going to hot glue this piece here. And stick it in the center. So again, it's like so. So this is how it looks once we apply our pieces. And I'm going to add my son's name to it and the Tennessee Titans logo just to add on to the decor. Okay, so my son's name is Lakari, So I'm going to go ahead and put the letters on. Again, these are from Dollar Tree as well. So these are some felt letters, and all you do is peel the paper backing off of them. And if you have a Cricut or a Silhouette or some type of cutting machine, you can use that as well instead of doing this. But I'm doing it this way because a lot of you do not have a machine, so I'm showing you an expensive way to customize your gumball machine. So you can put anything you want in it. I am going to put gumballs in it in this one, but you can also put peppermints in it, whatever type of candies you would like. So again, once I add his name, I'm going to add the Tennessee Titans sticker, which I'll be using water slide paper, and I will do a video on that in the near future of how to use the water slide paper. I'm just trying not to make this video too long. So I'm going to add this, then off camera I will be adding that. And one more letter, I'm going to add the, and I did not know that this would be so easy and so cheap to make. Again, the planter and the little bottom pot and the glass bowls from Walmart. What I use for the handle and the letters are from Dollar Tree. So this project was probably about $6 or $7 to make. This stuff was really cheap. I think I put the A on a little. Well, it's okay. I'll leave it. So that's how it looks before I add the final touch. It looks so good, so easy, so cheap to make. I'm going to add those stickers, and then I'll show y'all the finished product. Alrighty, here is the finished product of my custom gumball machine. It came out so perfect, just how I wanted it. So I added the Tennessee Titans logo using the water slide paper. And again, I'll have a video on that soon of how to use the water slide paper. So do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We'll have more videos coming soon on different projects. Thanks again.